Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna be making this delicious meal and I hope you'll enjoy cooking with me. So the first thing we'll do is to boil the meat and make sure we add in some salt while boiling the meat. Next thing we'll do is to add in our paprika, garlic powder and give it a mix before we start frying. Next thing we did was to add in our oil in the pan. Make sure it's hot before we start frying the meat. I like my meat golden brown, so I made sure that I keep on turning it to prevent it from burning. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to this channel and are interested in more of my cooking, please make sure you do so and I'll appreciate a lot. The meat is ready to go and now I'm just boiling the potatoes in the same meat broth. After I boiled the potatoes, I added in some salt to taste, garlic powder, black pepper and paprika. Gave it a mix before I started frying the potatoes. I made sure the oil was hot enough for the potatoes to fry well. And also I separated them so zisishikane. Si mnajua tena. Haya, kwani ni twins. Yani nili make sure potatoes zangu zime kila moja iko kivyake. Unajua. My final cooking was spinach and I ended up adding it in the meat stock. Pia niliongezea vitunguu na kitunguu saumu. Alafu nikaongezea hiyo pilipili manga. Na mambo ikaenda sawa. I cooked it for 5 minutes. And voila. Food was ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please again, do not forget to subscribe.